Adarsh and Vishwa departing in the last over of Karthik. At one stage, Warriors 30 without loss were having an upper hand. That's what loss of wicket does. The pressure is again back on Warriors to get a partnership building, start again from scratch. Sudhir off spinner gives the ball some air, replacing the bowler from the north end.
So the match hangs in balance here. The two capable players for Telugu Warriors, Vishwa and others, who are batting quite well. They are now back in the pavilion. So they need to rebuild here, Telugu Warriors. There were two freshmen at the crease, Tarun and Prabhu. So it's not going to be easy. They still need 1-1-2 to win. Extremely interesting kind of an action, not easy to pick for the batsman. Off spinner, leg spinner, or the one that comes straight, very difficult.
I think he's bowling with a scrambled seam of a short run. That's how best I can describe him. We need to have a look at his action, slightly closer look at his action. Very peculiar action, I think. Quick short steps. Doesn't really get too much behind that, but puts the ball in the right area. That's what matters in the end.
Inside edge, very difficult for the keeper to take that one. That's what I said, it's so difficult to pick. It looks to be an off spinner, but the ball skids through after pitching. So they need to play him like a pace bowler whose delivery comes straight through instead of trying to play him on the one side.
Well, brilliant effort. There's a chance of a run out. Mix up. That's a poor throw. Oh, well, backed up by a fielder at short fine leg, aimed at the stump. I think the batsman is gone for all money.
There's so much of drama we've seen in this game. Oh, there was lapses. This is what happened. And it seems the batsman's out of the crease. He was trying to put his bat inside the popping crease. We'll have to go back again to another frame to see that when the ball hits the stumps and when the bails are off the groove, whether the bat is inside the crease or not. Yes, I think with that angle the decision should be out, in my opinion. Yes, it is out. This is good work by the fielders of Bulldozers. Throw was incorrect. It went high above the keeper's head. A good backup by the fielder there. So another wicket falls. It is Tharun who's gone for 4. It's 36 for 3 now, Telugu Warriors.
Well, Charan taking the place of Tharun. Charan, who had such a good time with the bat in the previous edition, was also very impressive with the ball, and he has a big task ahead of him if he has to take his team to victory. It's going to be a tough ask, having lost 3 wickets in quick succession. But Sudhir flights the ball. It's hit over the top of covers for a well-hit boundary. So Charan is on his way with a boundary. Karthik conceding 4 runs off his last ball. It's end of the 5th over, 40 for 3.